All right, this is Miss G. We're going to talk about percent yield. So you need a calculator and a periodic table. So percent yield is the stuff that you make, like in a production line. It's like how much do I produce? So the theoretical yield is the yield that you would get in the best case scenario, where nothing was lost, and this is always determined by your limiting reactant. So your actual yield is what you actually make, and this is um, due to runoff or that you lose some due to just regular production reaction stuff. So your percent yield is your actual divided by theoretical. So percent yield is what you got divided by what your limiting reactant is, what you should have got. All right, so it says you have this reaction. I think it's already balanced. So if 10 grams of mercury and 9 grams of bromine are reactant, how much HgBr2 will be produced? So I'm going to write that down so I can do that. And we're going to go to the next slide. So I think it also asks how much excess. So we are going to do that, though I don't think we need it for percent. Okay, so all right, here's your reaction. So the first thing we're going to do is figure out which one is the limiting reactant. So we're going to go with 10 grams of 10.0 grams of mercury. And then we're going to go to mercury to bromide. Then we have 200.59 grams. 1 mole of mercury. We have 1 mole of mercury to 1 mole of Br2. So we're going to go ahead and put that in our calculator. So 0.0498529338. So 9 grams of Br2. So 39.904 times 2. Oops, this is 1 mole. So it looks like this first one, is the limiting reactant. And we're going to multiply that by the molar mass. So we get 17.9666. So we'll round it so it's 18.0 grams of HB. Okay. So let's go to the next slide and we'll figure out our excess. So before we we do our percent yield, let's go ahead and do our excess. So what we're going to do is go from grams of mercury to Br2 to figure out what was used up. So 200.59 grams of Br3, 1 mole of Br2. So the 1-to-1. Oh, sorry. This is G. This is H3. This is Br2. And then we multiply out by 159.808. So we end up with 7.97 grams of Br2. So that's what was used up. So to get excess, we're going to do 9 minus 7.97 grams. So 1.03 grams of Br2 excess. So produced, so all we need is our actual. I'm going to do it up here. 14 divided by your theoretical, which is 18, times 100. So 14.02 divided by 18 times 100 is 77.9%. All right. So since methanol, also used methyl alcohol, is used as a fuel to race cars and is potential replacement for gasoline. Methanol can be manufactured by a combination of gaseous carbon monoxide and hydrogen. So suppose 68.5 kilograms of CO is reacted with 8.60 kilograms of H2. So is 3.7 times 10 to the 4th grams of CH3 methanol was actually produced. And what is the percent yield of methanol? So first thing we need to do is balance this. So let's see. I think all we need is a 2 here. So I think that's balanced. Okay, so we need to go to figure out which is our limiting reactant. So we're going to do 68.5 kilograms of CO. I'm going to just go to grams. So 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. And then once we have grams, we can go do molar mass. So we're going to do the molar mass of carbon monoxide. So 28.0105 grams with 1 mole of CO. And then we're going to do 1 mole of CO to 1 mole of methanol. And then let's go ahead and just go to math. and we'll have it. $32.04 grams. So let's go ahead and put that in our calculator. That's 78,354 grams. Right, let's do the other one. So we got 8.60 grams of H2, 1,000 grams, 1 kilogram, 1 mole H2. We have 2 times 1.00794, 2.01588 grams. And then we have 2 moles of H2 to 1 mole of CH3OH. And then we multiply that by 32.04 grams of CH3OH. So 68,343. This is our, oops, sorry, not this one. This is our limiting reactant. Okay. So this means that's my limiting reactant. So we can figure out, so we'll do, okay, 3 times. Okay, so, all right, yeah, so this is our limiting. So what we're going to do is take the 30, and we'll end up be 35700 divided by the 68,343 times 100. That's going to give us our percent yield. So then I do 3 significant figures, it's 52.2%. And that's our answer. Okay, let's stop here.